you said that chess, your mom really said you need to go to chess club. So how is that? Is chess club common in the area, or what? How did you that lead to you going to the chess club?
Chess club was not common. No, actually, people did not know even what chess meant at the time when I started playing chess. And a lot of people thought it was like a gambling game, and they didn't really understand the concept. And really, they couldn't, if you told somebody what's chess, they couldn't tell you chess is this. They didn't have any understanding of what it meant. So my mom really, my mom was tied to the some chess academy and was really observing the way students behaved. And there was
Hmm.
a very serious difference between the students who played chess and those who played soccer. In,
Interesting. If
in
I
terms
can,
of,
yeah, I was just going to say, in terms of that, because your mom noticed something different from the kids who participated in this chess club that Robert Katende had started in the community. What was it that stood out? And I think you were just starting to mention that.
oh, yes, yes. I think in terms of the way the way chess students conducted themselves, it was at a higher regard level compared to the students that really participated in soccer. And they were more respectful, they were more
Hmm.
um, loving, they had a, a great understanding of life compared to the ones who played soccer in a way. So my mom was like, I want my son to be like them in her heart.
What interesting, because what you're saying here is that your mom noticed that the chess players at that club were more respectful, cared for others. They were focused upon better futures in life, is what I'm hearing. And what I'm not hearing is what sometimes is considered, oh, smart kids must play chess. You got to be really smart and such. I'm not hearing that. So that's really interesting. You bring that out because at Chess for Life, we certainly agree with that, right? That it's a growth mindset that matters. So it really sounds like Robert Katende built that kind of a mindset into the club.
That's very true. Yes, yes. And as I want to really emphasize that point you say that a lot of people think that being smart really allows you to really play chess, but that's not really true. If anything, chess, with all these other skills that come with it, actually is a tool and a driver for developing the brains to think better.